my goodness. She doesn't.
Yeah.
I thought for sure she saw it, she'd be like,
Yeah.
Bailey, look at your present. Who is that? Who is that? Show Daddy. Is it Snow White?
Snow White. You like Snow White?
My youngest granddaughter called her Snow White.
You like her? I hope you like her. Yeah.
Oh yeah, she's all over it.
Good. Yay.
Yeah,
Is there any words?
Yeah.
I'm like, I hope Casey, it's your birthday. Hope it's as terrific as you are.
Very pretty.
You like her?
Cute.
Very nice.
Look at Bailey. What is it? What is this?
What's with the hard question?
You passed them out earlier. Who is it?
Oh, what?
Monkey. What's a monkey say?
Good job.
It's like,
This is a monkey.
okay, Bailey, let's bring me Snow White.
She's on the floor.
Bailey.
She goes back to the recipe. Let's open another one. Open another one. Then Deb will have it taken apart. Oh, you want that one next? Okay. Who's on here? Who is that? Who is that? Who is it? Is it Ernie? It's much more fun when you... Ernie. Bird? Who's that?
Make it all their own.
Elmo. 2, it says. Elmo hopes your birthday's fun, but he's not the only one, because everyone is watching you. A happy time now that you're 2. Happy 2nd birthday! Ta-da! Elmo! Okay, open up. What is it?
Just rip it open.
Hey. Oh, rip. Oh!
There you go. Just tear off.
What is it? It's the doctor case. Very cool. Look at Simon as I've seen out of you for a while.
Where'd you find that? Oh, cute cat.
She's seeing the new dogs. I'm pretty excited.
Hopefully next year's funner.
Where's Spot?
Uh-oh.
James Dobson was talking about family. The little boy wanted a purple puppy. That's all he wanted. He just wanted a purple puppy. So, well, you know, you want something else? No? Purple puppy. So they bought a white dog. Right?
Here, Bailey.
Kind of size, purple.
Doug
Blah,
and
blah,
Deb.
blah, blah, blah.
Oh, it's the doctor.
Yeah.
What's in here? Can you take it out?
Don't mess with that paper.
I know. You gonna stay and help me?
Oh, sorry.
What else? No way.
What is it?
Back to the doctor.
Pretty boring, huh?
What is it? Snap-in style.
What?
Easy snap-on outfits. Cool.
What age is that for?
3, but
2 plus.
oh, good.
How do we get it open?
You want me to work on that? I got no wipeout now.
Oh, look, I got her out of the box.
What else is in there, Bailey? Pull it out.
Take the stuff out of the bag.
What else
I
is
see
in
an
the bag?
outfit. More ponies? Look. Headbands. You don't have to wear bonnets anymore.
Yahoo!
You want to wear
Snow
one?
White?
You want to wear pink?
I know, it's all flowers.
It's just a headband.
How about purple?
Pink pants.
That's pretty. Is that pretty? No.
She loves wearing my headbands. Okay, here.
There's some
Oh,
other things in there.
Let's see what else.
That works.
Ooh, pretty.
No, I got a 3 because I thought a 2 would be too small.
It would be. Look at that.
Sucker.
Bailey, look at the flowers.
No.
Ooh. Hey, Bailey, here's a card from Grandpa. Yay! Oh, what's a turtle? Or a frog. Yippity hop. Bailey, here is a little gift for your future education. Hope this helps and grows to be significant. Love you, Grandpa. Happy birthday. Ribbits. Ribbits. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bailey. Happy birthday to you. Can you blow?
Blow your candles out.
Blow hard.
Blow hard. You can do it.
Ready? One more time. Oh, good girl! No boyfriend! High five!
I want the high five. Oh, okay.
Okay. Or Dora.